Here we discuss the solution of a problem from the section binomial theorem. And the question is about the constant term of binomial expansion. This question has appeared in JEE main examination held on 22nd July 2021 in the afternoon shift. The problem is, if the constant term in binomial expansion in brackets 2 into x power r plus 1 by x square whole power 10 is 180, then r is equal to solution. The given term independent of x in the given expansion is given to be 180. Now the k plus 1th term is given by, that is the general term. The general term of the binomial expansion x plus a to the power of n is, we recall, t r plus 1 term, r plus 1th term is equal to ncr into x power n minus r into a power r. In our case, it is 10 ck into 2x power r whole to the power of 10 minus k into 1 by x square whole power k, and that is equal to 10 ck into 2 to the power of 10 minus k into x to the power of 10r minus kr minus 2k, because 1 by x square is x to the power of minus 2 and x to the power of minus 2 to the power of k is minus 2k. So it will be x to the power of 10r minus rk minus 2k. The term independent of x in the expansion is given to be 180. That means the term independent of x means the power of x must be 0 and the coefficient is 180. So that will imply 10 ck 2 to the power of 10 minus k, that is the coefficient is 180. The power is 10 power r minus rk minus 2k is equal to 0. The first one gives the values of k, but we want r. So let's look at the second. 10r minus rk minus 2k is equal to 0. This first one gives k, so let us find r from this. So this will be r times 10 minus k is equal to 2k. So that will imply r is equal to 2k by 10 minus k. So if I know the value of k, r will be obtained. So let's come here, and 10 ck 2 to the power of 10 minus k is equal to 180. This 180 is written as 10 into 9 by 2 factorial into 2 square. It is adjusted. And 10 into 9 by 2 factorial is 10c2. That is equal to 10c2 into 2 square. So now let us look at the the power of 2. The power of 2. The power of 2 is 2 to the power of 10 minus k is 2 square. So 10 minus k is equal to 2 and 10 ck is equal to 10 c2. So this will imply 2 to the power of 10 minus k is 2 square and 10 ck is equal to 10 c2. So let's first, so from the first one, so 10 minus k is equal to 2. This will imply k is equal to 8. When k is equal to 8, 10c8 is equal to 10c2. Yes, ncr is equal to ncn minus r. That is the formula. So 10c8 is equal to 10c2. So k is equal to 8 is satisfied. Let's take this k is equal to 8. Come down here and calculate r. R is equal to 2 into k is 8 by 10 minus 8, that is 8. That is the answer. So r is equal to 8. So that is the answer of the problem, and that is the discussion of the solution of the given problem in the JEE main examination. I wish you all the success, and go on working out problems from a standard textbook. Good luck. Thank you.